Hello, friends. Today we're cooking up a delicious butter chicken. Let's get started with the ingredients. For the marinade, you'll need 800 grams of chicken, Greek yogurt, ginger, garlic, oil, lemon juice, and spices like chili powder, cumin, garam masala, and turmeric. Mix everything together with the chicken, cover, and let it marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. Next, preheat your oven to 240 degrees Celsius. Arrange the marinated chicken pieces on a baking tray. Cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning halfway through. While the chicken is roasting, let's make our sauce. In a pot, add tomatoes, ginger, garlic, cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, and water. Simmer for about 20 minutes until the tomatoes break down. Remove the whole spices, blend the sauce, and strain for a smooth texture. Return the sauce to the pot. Add chili powder and simmer until it thickens. Now, add the roasted chicken pieces. Add butter, cream, chopped ginger, and green chilies. Let it all simmer until the chicken is fully cooked. For the final touch, sprinkle garam masala and adjust the salt to taste. In a separate pan, melt ghee with mustard seeds, a Kashmiri chili, and curry leaves. Pour this spiced butter over the curry for a delicious finish. Garnish with coriander, little cream, and obviously butter. Serve with naan or rice. Enjoy your homemade butter chicken.